Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the Corsair Gaming K63 compact mechanical keyboard. This one is the red edition with the red LED, and it has red mechanical key switches. At the making of this video, I got it for around 70 bucks on Amazon. Now let's open it up and look inside here. Like so beautiful. Get out of here. Blocking my angles. There it is. Here. See that? On the back. I don't know if you guys can notice, but this one is the compact model, so it doesn't take up a lot of space if you have a smaller table or whatever. But this is a great one for anyone that wants to start off with a mechanical keyboard. If you've never had one before, this is a great starter one. I recommend this because I've had a lot of people use these, a lot of my friends, so it's really a nice model. And as you guys can see here, it has a custom multimedia buttons right here and over here, and it also has a Windows lock button right here. Hey, what the? Came with the key already off. That's not good. There we go. Good as new. I almost lost it. And it's got like a rugged design on the space bar here. I like that. And you guys can hear the keys. And you can see the size of it. This is the perfect size right here. I love it. I don't know if you guys can notice, but usually at the end there's more keys, you know, like the 1, 2, 3 and all that at the side. It doesn't have those on here. You guys can see this side here, those keys are missing. It has everything else plus your multimedia keys on top, and it is USB connected. Okay, it's in here, nothing else, just empty box and the manual. That's it. That's all it comes with. So if you guys want a starter mechanical keyboard for your first mechanical keyboard, I recommend this Corsair model. This is the Corsair Gaming K63. Good, it's a good starter mechanical keyboard. Okay. As always, I thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope it helps you. Bye bye.